What if the greatest success isn't winning in this world, but being saved in the next? Chapter 7 brings Surah Aal Imran to a powerful close. After lessons of battle, after lessons of obedience, after lessons of tawheed and standing firm. Now the Quran shifts your gaze forward, beyond this life, beyond status, beyond wealth, beyond temporary victory. Allah begins by reminding us of something deeply human, the love of desires, wealth, children, luxury, comfort, status. These things are not evil, but they are temporary. The Quran does not deny their beauty. It simply reminds you of their limit. Everything you chase here has an expiry date. Then comes a contrast. Say, shall I inform you of something better than that? Something better than wealth, better than power, better than admiration, gardens beneath which rivers flow, eternal peace, the pleasure of Allah. This chapter resets your definition of success. Success is not accumulation, it is salvation. Then the Quran describes the people who deserve that reward. They are patient, truthful, devout, generous, seeking forgiveness before dawn. Notice that last one. Before dawn, when the world is asleep, when distractions are silent, when sincerity is pure. They wake up not for applause, not for validation, but for forgiveness. Chapter 7 teaches us that true believers build private habits. Public faith is easy. Private discipline is rare. Then comes one of the most powerful declarations in the Quran. Allah bears witness that there is no deity except Him, and so do the angels, and so do people of knowledge. Tawheed is not a slogan. It is the foundation of everything. Then the Quran returns to unity. Hold firmly to the rope of Allah altogether, and do not become divided. Division weakens hearts. Unity strengthens them. But unity is not built on culture, not built on politics, not built on trends. It is built on revelation, on shared submission, on shared direction. And then comes a verse that should shake every heart. Every soul will taste death. No exceptions, no delays, no negotiations. And you will only be given your full compensation on the day of judgment. So whoever is saved from the fire and admitted into paradise, that is success, that is it. Not followers, not numbers, not recognition. Saved. Chapter 7 ends with a powerful call to perseverance. You will be tested in your wealth, in yourselves, in what you hear. So be patient, remain conscious of Allah, stay firm. This final section of Surah Aal Imran is like a closing reminder. Life is short, tests are guaranteed, desires are temporary, unity is essential, and real success is eternal. In everyday life, this changes everything. You stop chasing validation. You start chasing sincerity. You stop measuring yourself by comparison. You start measuring yourself by obedience. You stop fearing loss. You start fearing accountability. And when you live like that, you are free. Chapter 7 reminds us that the Quran does not just inform you, it prepares you for life and for what comes after life. Tomorrow we begin a new chapter, but tonight, reflect. Because understanding the Quran is not just knowledge, it is preparation for eternity.